What is a treasury bill and how to buy one? Our financial expert, Mr. Hariharan, will explain this to you now.
But treasury bill is available to us. You and I can buy treasury bills, which was not available few years back. So treasury bills typically were issued by RBI on behalf of the central government, and the banks would apply for these T-bills. But now, last 2-3 years, you and I can also buy treasury bills. Now the question is, where do I buy? And as I said, many people would not even know that you can buy it. So this is the challenge. You have options, some options available of different types of securities beyond your traditional FDs, but operationally, we don't know where to go and buy it. Some broking companies are today offering in their platform the opportunity to buy treasury bills, but you will have to do a bidding there, just like you do for IPOs, and the retail is given at the cutoff. Similarly, you and I will have to do it at the cutoff price.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.